Hi folks, this is Peter Thomas. I'm the owner of Beverly Sewing Machine and Vacuum in Beverly, Massachusetts. We're located at 414 Rantoul Street. This is the Burnett B79. It's a combination machine embroidery and sewing machine. Right now it's configured for the sewing machine. You have stitch length control. You also have stitch width control. The nice thing about this machine is the screen is not monochrome, it is 5-color. The presser foot can be raised and lowered many different ways. You can use all sorts of different needles from microtex all the way to leather with this machine. It sews quietly, very powerfully. We can go up to 12 layers of denim with this machine. So if you have any questions, you can call us or email us or drop in for a product demonstration.